Welcome English learners, I'm Miss Dolly from New Cambridge Learning Singapore. This is lesson 5 in our 50 Essential English Lessons for Beginners. Now today, let's try and master the days of the week in just 2 minutes. And how many days are there in a week? 7 days. So let's start. Monday is the first day of the work week or the school week. Tuesday comes next. Wednesday is the middle of the week. Thursday is almost weekend. Friday is everyone's favorite English day. Saturday is relaxing and enjoying with our family and friends. Sunday is rest time. Shall we repeat? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. There you have it. 7 days, easy peasy English vocabulary. Now here's a memory trick for English beginners. My teacher wants to find smart students. The first letter of each word matches each day. This helps you learn English and remember new vocabulary quickly. Now let's practice pronunciation together. Look at me. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Daily English practice helps you speak clearly and confidently. Don't worry, you've got this. Now let's use the days of the week in real sentences. For example, I can say, I study English on Monday. Tuesday is my favorite day to spend with my best friend. We have English lessons every Wednesday. I practice speaking on Thursday. Friday is a fun day. Saturday, I relax with my family. Sunday, I have lunch with my friends. Quick quiz for you. What day comes after Wednesday? Can you guess? That's right, Thursday. What day is before Sunday? Fantastic, Saturday. You are doing a great job, English learners. Now remember, daily English practice is the best way to improve your English vocabulary and speaking skills. Don't forget to subscribe to New Cambridge Learning for more beginner English lessons, practical tips, and real-life examples. Practice every day and you will master step by step. Trust me. See you in lesson 6. Bye!